Jom, bakit ang liit naman ng projected retirement fund at insurance benefits ko compared dun sa nakita kong post mo? Tanong sa akin ng client ko nag-inquire nung isang araw. He is 40 years old, was planning to get a 2,500 per month plan. Una sa lahat, yung nasa post ko ay para sa 21 years old. Dahil ang target clients ko ay young professionals. Pero don't get me wrong I can insure 1 week old to 70 years old client. Pangalawa, age matters pagdating sa insurance. As we grow older, paliit ng paliit yung benefit na makukuha natin at certain premium. Premium, ito yung inuhulog ng clients namin para sa plan nila. Pangatlo, in terms of retirement fund, sobrang valuable ng time. Kung late na tayo mag-prepare, we need to cope up with higher premiums para ma-achieve natin ang desired retirement fund natin. Start ka na ba ng plan mo bago ka mag-birthday ngayong taon?